Hello, so we're going to analyze two trades that I did today. On the right side we have the ES tape, and on the center, on the left, we have the CL tape. At the moment I'm looking for the sellers to run out of bullets on the ES as we approach buyer zone. And I saw on market profile that this level, the 43.25, was a key level for yesterday. So we start printing there, and now I think, if the buyers shows up here, I'm going long. So let me go. So I see sellers moving away offers and buyers coming in here, right here. So I take a little longer, but I prefer the
Order
confirmation.
filled.
And here I go long. So as soon as I enter long, the market moves on my favor and buyers show up. There is an auto break even in the strategy. With 4 ticks profit, the trade will move to break even. And now we have another blue bubble. So you see how the trade went to break even. And now it's something important, because right here,
Bearish divergence.
there is a bearish divergence, and I fell to exit. So now I'm going to be taking out at the stop. I move
Stop
the stop.
filled.
You see, I move the stop 1 tick just to not to cover trading cost. However, I am on simulation, so it's important to take that into account. So here and then I realized that sellers are building up. So I see that, look, you see the tape 1400 and 800
Order filled.
So I go short. I was thinking that if buyers didn't show up so quickly and they were not able to take the market at least a couple points fast from that low, I think the sellers would have another chance, and they would push actually down to at least 21.42. So this is what happened. I went short, and now I'll see something that I didn't see before. So I will see how the buyers, now the sellers are in control, so I'm comfortable. And now with my stop above at 8 ticks from the entry and the target as well. So but the sellers are fighting the buyers, but it will be a moment in a few seconds that the buyers take control. Watch how they build up. So now very much at break even. The buyers don't show, and here they are building up. So buyers built up. So I was thinking I was totally wrong in the trade, and sellers are starting canceling the order. However, it ticked down. The market ticked down, and I was thinking, great, so this is really going to move lower, because sellers were canceling, and now back again. So buyers are building up, and there are no sellers showing up. So they keep canceling trades, and buyers building up. And watch, it's going to gap. So 300 showing 330, you see 340, and here they gap up. So as soon as I see that gap, I'm thinking, oh, they're going to take my stop, and this actually was the low of the day that I missed from the previous trade. However, look how fast they took it down again, and now the sellers are canceling. Sorry, the buyers are canceling, the sellers are in control. So I'm thinking that the stop loss is secure, and that 44.5, 2144.5, it's secure. So I'm not worried. Right here you
Bullish
see
divergence.
and however I get another sound that says bullish divergence. So but I keep thinking that 44.5 is secure, and I'll see what's going on. I wait to see what happened to the buyers at that level again. So they start printing 44, and you see I was waiting to see 44.50, but they printed 44, so they pushed it down, and the sellers are back in control. As soon as I see that red bubble there, I think that okay, the trade is going to be profitable, and the automatic break even moves the stop loss to break even. So now I see that seller's bubble building up, and I'm thinking, okay, so let's see a push down. However, the price is ticking up again. So I get, after two trades with the same situation, that I go, you see, one break even plus one, and about to be taking out again at break even plus one.
Stop filled.
Here the sellers take that, and I exit the trade. See, at the moment I didn't see the sellers with so much strength, and if we follow the video for 2 more minutes, you'll see how those offers at 2142, the 1500s there, they will be taken. So this is the example with where two trades I have 4 ticks profit at the moment at one point, and both of them I exited with just plus 1 tick. And remember, this is a simulation, so I only went 2 weeks with JigSaw, so I'm looking for people who could help me. Here you see the sellers taking control, and I take a picture of the screen because I exited the trade at break even, and I didn't know how to manage it better. So once again we saw sellers. However, the price didn't move down, so I was thinking, okay, so this might be the bottom. However, we'll see once again how the sellers will push the market a bit lower, actually to the low of the day. I think it's 41.50. I think it printed today. So here I let you watch the video as they approach those 1500s on the blue column. Actually now there are 1600, but you see how they will be taking, and the white line there on the Vista chart. Will be taken. I think here we see another bubble, and now I keep thinking, why did I exit the trade? But yeah, I was stopped. So I was happy with my 1 tick there, even though it was simulation. So here now the sellers push again, and we see new prints, and here they go where they printed 42. And that's all for me.